Hello, Darren Martineau here, and I'm a business and marketing coach. And in this video, I'm going to explain to you email marketing and why you need it, why it's so important for your business. As a business owner, as a marketer, affiliate marketer, uh, digital content producer, course creator, whatever you are, if you're an artist, whatever you are, I'm going to explain to you why this is so important. First of all, let's understand what is email marketing. So email marketing is a digital marketing channel used by companies and individuals to communicate with their subscribers. Email marketing is used to inform their subscribers about new products and new promotions, to share content, to get feedback, and to build up their audience. You see, because most places, like if you have a book on Amazon, for example, you can't collect their email. So if you have a YouTube channel or you have some account, it gets shut down, then you're in trouble because the thing is you have to have the email in order to be able to keep in contact with your customer base. You have to have a customer base. Now, how effective is email marketing? Well, email marketing is very effective marketing channel, one of the most effective. Email marketing is the only marketing channel where you can reach 100% of your audience, making this channel more effective than social media. Companies see an average return on investment of $36 for every $1 spent on email marketing. So why is email marketing important? Well, email marketing is important because it lets you own your own audience rather than having to rely on another platform's algorithm to decide if your audience will see your messages or not. Email marketing also reaches almost everyone online. 4.3 billion people have an email account. Email marketing is also one of the most effective ways to build an audience and grow a business. Now, there are many different types of systems. There's all kinds of different email providers, autoresponders. The one I recommend is Aweber. Why? Because it's very reliable. The deliverability on it, the features we're going to talk about a little bit. Now they have AI. You can create AI to write your emails. Now, if you look at emails, most emails look very boring. But if you add pictures and you do all these things, and this is a very simple drag and drop system within Aweber. And what I do is I create mini courses and different things around different niches, and I'll show you how to do that in other videos. But you can make stunning emails in a snap. You can use Canva. You can have the theme settings. It's the fastest and easiest email builder there is Aweber, and the reason is you can use AI. You can effortless effortlessly write emails anytime and anywhere. Okay, you can do it on your phone. Now, you have the features of RSS triggered emails, email automation, and behavior automation. You can segment your lists. You can create more meaningful connections. Um, you can connect it with the tools you already use, such as Facebook, YouTube, any of your social media accounts. What you have to create is called a squeeze page or an opt-in page. Okay? Now, what you want to do is create your funnel. So if you don't know how to create a funnel, I want you to click on the link in the description below or on this page where you see it. Put in your name and email, and I will direct you to my marketing funnel system, and I will show you all the best marketing tools. Aweber is one of them. So thank you very much and have a great day.